Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Emily, and I am so happy you are here. But today, I am also a little bit nervous. My stomach feels a bit strange. I think I need to go to the doctor.
Hi, Emily. Hello to all our friends watching. Don't worry, Emily. Going to the doctor in a new country is scary. It is hard to speak English when you feel sick.
Exactly, Paul. I worry that I will use the wrong words. What if the doctor does not understand me? What if I don't understand the doctor?
That is why we are making this video today. Today, we will learn every word you need for a doctor's visit. We will learn how to make an appointment. We will learn how to describe your pain. We will even learn how to buy medicine.
This is so important. If you can speak to a doctor, you can take care of your health. You can feel safe and confident.
I have a challenge for everyone watching. This is a long video. It is a deep lesson. I want you to watch until the very end. If you finish this video, you will be a health master. You will never be afraid of the doctor again.
I love that challenge. I want to be a health master. Are you ready to learn with us? Grab a notebook and a pen. Let's get started right now.
Let's start with our vocabulary. We have 15 important words today. 1. Appointment. An appointment is a set time to meet someone. It is a scheduled meeting for a professional service.
Oh, so it is like a date, but for work or health?
Yes, exactly. Example 1. I have an appointment at 3 p.m. Example 2. I need to make an appointment with Dr. Smith. Example 3. Do you have an appointment for today? Drugi, symptom. A symptom is a sign of illness. It is a change in your body that shows you are sick.
So if I have a cough, that is a symptom.
Yes. Example 1. A cough is a common symptom of a cold. Example 2. What are your symptoms? Example 3. I have 3 different symptoms today. 3. Fever. A fever is when your body temperature is too high. It is when you feel very hot because you are sick.
I hate having a fever. I feel so weak.
Example 1. The child has a high fever. Example 2. Use a thermometer to check for a fever. Example 3. I feel hot. I think I have a fever. 4. Prescription. A prescription is a note from a doctor. It is a piece of paper that allows you to buy special medicine.
In many countries, you cannot buy medicine without this note.
That is correct. Example 1. The doctor gave me a prescription for antibiotics. Example 2. I need to take this prescription to the pharmacy. Example 3. Do you have a prescription for this medicine? 5. Insurance. Insurance is a plan that helps you pay for doctors. It is a service you pay for to cover medical costs.
Insurance is very important in the United States and many other places.
Example 1. Do you have health insurance? Example 2. My insurance pays for my checkup. Example 3. Please show your insurance card at the desk. 6. Waiting room. The waiting room is the area where you sit before you see the doctor. It is the place where patients wait for their turn.
There are usually many magazines in a waiting room.
Example 1. Please sit in the waiting room. Example 2. The waiting room is very crowded today. Example 3. I waited in the waiting room for 20 minutes. Septini, checkup. A checkup is a general exam. It is a visit to the doctor when you are not sick, just to stay healthy.
Like a tune-up for a car, but for a human.
Example 1. I go for a checkup once a year. Example 2. The doctor said my checkup was perfect. Example 3. Is this visit for a checkup? 8. Pain. Pain is a physical feeling of hurt. It is the sensation you have when you are injured or ill.
Pain is a very useful word to know.
Example 1. Where is the pain exactly? Example 2. I have a sharp pain in my back. Example 3. On a scale of 1 to 10, how is the pain? Ninth dose. A dose is the amount of medicine you take at one time. It is the specific quantity of a drug prescribed.
You must be careful with the dose.
Example 1. Take one dose every 4 hours. Example 2. The dose is 2 small pills. Example 3. Do not take more than the recommended dose. 10. Pharmacist. A pharmacist is a person who prepares medicine. It is a professional who works in a drugstore or chemist.
The pharmacist can explain how to take your medicine.
Example 1. Ask the pharmacist if you have questions. Example 2. The pharmacist is filling your prescription now. Example 3. Is there a pharmacist available to talk? She. Patient. A patient is a person receiving medical care. It is the person who is being treated by a doctor.
Today, I am the patient and Paul is the teacher.
Example 1. The doctor is seeing a patient right now. Example 2. Every patient must fill out these forms. Example 3. Please be a patient. That is a joke, Paul. 12th specialist. A specialist is a doctor who knows a lot about one thing. It is a doctor who focuses on one specific part of the body.
Like a heart doctor or a skin doctor.
Example 1. You need to see a heart specialist. Example 2. My specialist is very famous. Example 3. The specialist will see you next week. 13. Nurse. A nurse is a person who helps the doctor. It is a professional who cares for sick people in a hospital or clinic.
The nurse usually checks my weight and height.
Example 1. The nurse will take your blood pressure. Example 2. Please follow the nurse to the room. Example 3. The nurse was very kind to me. 14. Receptionist. A receptionist is the person at the front desk. It is the person who answers the phone and makes appointments.
The receptionist is the first person you see.
Example 1. Talk to the receptionist to pay your bill. Example 2. The receptionist called my name. Example 3. Tell the receptionist your phone number. 15. Pharmacy. A pharmacy is a shop where you buy medicine. It is the place where you take your prescription.
Many pharmacies are inside grocery stores.
Example 1. Is there a pharmacy near here? Example 2. I need to go to the pharmacy for my pills. Example 3. The pharmacy closes at 9 p.m. Hello, City Health Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I want to make an appointment.
I see. You want to make an appointment. You want to make an appointment. What is the reason for the visit?
I feel sick. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache.
I am sorry you feel sick. We have an opening tomorrow. Is 10 a.m. okay? Is 10 a.m. okay?
Yes. 10 a.m. is good. 10 a.m. is good.
Next day, Emily is at the clinic. Paul is the doctor. Hello, Emily. I am Dr. Paul. What are your symptoms? What are your symptoms?
My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I also have a fever. I have a fever.
I understand. Your stomach hurts and you have a fever. How long have you felt this way? How long have you felt this way?
For 2 days. For 2 days.
Okay, I will give you a prescription. I will give you a prescription. Take one pill daily. Take one pill daily.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
Scenario analysis.
Phew, we did it. Paul, let's talk about that. Why did I say I have a stomach ache? Why not I am a stomach ache?
That is a great question. In English, we use the verb to have for most illnesses. You have a cold. You have a headache. You have a fever. You are not the illness. The illness is something you have.
I see. And I noticed you repeated, "What are your symptoms?" twice. Is that a common question?
Yes, doctors always ask that. They want to know what is wrong. If you hear the word symptoms, you should list your problems. For example, I have a cough. I have a sore throat.
Also, you asked, "How long have you felt this way?"
Yes, time is very important for doctors. You should be ready to say for 2 days or since Monday. It helps the doctor know if the sickness is new or old.
And at the end, you said, "Take one pill daily." Does daily just mean every day?
Exactly. Daily means every single day. Doctors use that word a lot. The mistake zone. Now let's look at 5 common mistakes. Mistake 1, I am cold versus I have a cold. Wrong way, Emily says, I am a cold. Right way, Emily says, I have a cold. Why? I am cold means your temperature feels chilly. I have a cold means you are sick with a virus. Mistake 2, give me recipe. Wrong way. Emily says, Doctor, give me a recipe for medicine. Right way. Emily says, Doctor, give me a prescription for medicine. Why? A recipe is for cooking food, like a cake. A prescription is for medicine. Mistake 3. My body is pain. Wrong way. Emily says, My body is pain. Right way. Emily says, I am in pain, or my body hurts. Why? Pain is a noun. You can be in pain or you can feel pain. Mistake 4. I go to doctor. Wrong way. Emily says, I go to doctor. Right way. Emily says, I am going to the doctor. Why? In English, we almost always use the before doctor when we talk about a visit. Mistake 5. I have a cough. Pronunciation. Wrong way. Emily says, I have a cow G. Right way. Emily says, I have a cough. Sounds like off with a C. Why? The GH at the end of cough sounds like an F. Scenario 2. Natural pace. Emily is feeling better. She is at the pharmacy to get her medicine.
Hi there. I need to pick up a prescription for Emily Jones.
Hi, Emily. Let me check the system. Yes, I have it right here. One moment while I get it.
Thank you. Does my insurance cover this?
Yes, it does. You only have a small copay of $5, and
That's great news. How should I take this medicine?
you should take one tablet in the morning and one at night. It is best to take it with food.
Okay. One in the morning, one at night with food. Are there any side effects?
You might feel a little sleepy. If you do, don't drive a car.
I understand. Thank you for your help. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. Interactive quiz and repeat session. Now it is your turn. I will ask a question. You answer out loud. 1. What do you call the note a doctor gives you to buy medicine?
A prescription.
2. If your head hurts, you have a.
A headache.
3. Where do you sit before the doctor calls your name?
The waiting room.
4. What is the word for a set time for a meeting?
An appointment.
5. Who is the person that helps the doctor?
A nurse.
6. What do you call signs of being sick, like a cough?
Symptoms.
7. If you are very hot because you are sick, you have a.
A fever.
8. Where do you go to buy your medicine?
The pharmacy.
9. What is the name of the person at the front desk?
The receptionist.
10. How do you say every day in medical English?
Daily.
Outro and question of the day.
Wow. You did it. You finished the whole lesson. You are now a health master. I feel much more confident now. How about you?
You did a great job today. Remember, practice is the key. Watch this video again if you forget the words.
Here is our question of the day. When was the last time you went to the doctor? Tell us in the comments in English. For example, I went to the doctor last month.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps our channel grow.
Stay healthy and keep practicing. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.